Hey everybody, what's going on? Eric here. Hope everyone's enjoying their Labor Day weekend. Today we have a little bit of an unboxing. We have a small unboxing and we have a large unboxing. So stay tuned. Hey everybody, how's it going? Hope everyone's doing well out there. Hope everyone's staying safe. Well, today I got a little bit of an unboxing. I know I've been kind of like slacking on the whole YouTube thing lately. I've been doing a lot of school stuff and helping out the kid and, getting things ready, and everything's online, so it's been a little bit of a pain in the ass, sort of say, or whatever. But I've been still playing around with the guitar stuff a little bit here and there. And what I have here is to help out a little bit more of guitar playing. Well, not so much guitar playing, but still in the same category. So let's get this thing opened up. All right, here we go. And here we have very nicely wrapped. Now this I picked up used. This was a used item, so it's not going to be brand new, but it's supposed to be in new shape. So it's kind of the reason why I picked this up. So what we got over here is the Zoom for bass guitar, and this is the Zoom B1-4, and this is the B1X4, and this is the one that I picked up right here, which is kind of nice. This thing out of its little sock. Oh yeah, this thing is like perfect condition, brand new. Oh yeah, nice. Now this thing takes shit, how many? Like 4 AA batteries. Okay, or you can go with the 9-volt out or input. Also has a USB connector to it, and I'll explain why. Auxiliary in, and then it has the little locking thing over here, so if you lock your stuff down. All right, so what is it? What does it do? How does it work? So let me get into that right now. All right, so this is the Zoom B1-4 bass multi-effects processor. It has 60 built-in effects, 9 amp modules, 5 effects could be used at the same time, chained together in any order. It's got a 30-second looper. It also has the Zoom Guitar Lab software for creating, editing, and maintaining effects and patches, which means that you can actually download different patches to this thing and have more of a variety. Other stuff, same thing like, I think like, no, I don't think, I actually know. 9.6 does the same thing, to where you could download other patches from different creators of, just different effects and stuff like that. 68 built-in rhythm patterns that you can use with the looper as well. 50 memory locations for storing, like I said, creator patches. Autosave functions for saving, automatically saving patches. Perfect pitch function, which you can change the pitch of your playing. It's got an onboard tuner, output jack, except standard mono bass cables, both active and passive. Auxiliary input, like I said, so if you want to hook up like an MP3 player or whatever. Output jack, which also could be connected to an amp or headphones, which is kind of nice. As you can tell, I could probably read, I'm reading this, don't you? Lightweight, small enough to fit in any gig bag, easily integrated into any existing pedal board, runs on 4 AA batteries, USB port for firmware updates, power, and connection to Zoom Guitar Labs. Optional AC adapter, so it doesn't come with one, but it is included with batteries, which buying used, I don't think you would get. Now, I picked this thing up for $70. They can go anywhere from, depending on where you're buying from, anywhere from $89, about $90, to like $110 from what I've seen. So I ended up picking this thing up, and yeah, I like the gearbox and the options that Line 6 has as far as their programs go for the computer, pod farms and gearbox. But I'm looking for something maybe a little bit more out of the box, maybe. With this, I saw some videos on this thing and I was like, wow, this thing really has a lot of effects to it. So that's why I picked it up. So let's get on to another unboxing.